Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover the forgotten password of your MTN MiFi. So if you misplaced the password of your MTN MiFi or you've forgotten it, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can retrieve it. So for you to do this, you'll be needing a laptop or a desktop computer, and you're going to be needing a USB cable to connect your MiFi to the laptop or the desktop computer you're going to be using. So afterwards, once you've connected that, you're going to be seeing this kind of bar in the network. You're going to be seeing this type of bar in the network option. Let me put my mouse there so you can be clear of it. This type of bar here, that's what you're going to be seeing in your network option on your desktop. So once that showed there, that means it is connected via to your laptop. So afterwards, you open your desktop browser. Then when you open your desktop browser, you search for 192.168.0.1. So this is the admin panel of my MiFi. So I just have to log in with the admin username and password, which is admin and admin. Sorry. So log in. Okay. So from here, you're just going to come down to device settings, and on device settings, you click on Wi-Fi settings. So from Wi-Fi settings, you come to SSID settings, and you're going to be seeing the option where your password is. So to see the password, you click on display password, and you're going to be able to see the password of your MiFi. So that's just how you can easily retrieve this back, guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.